Hi, this is John from Turbot. If you're looking for quick demos of Powerpipe, you're in the right place. Suppose you're creating a Powerpipe mod called My AWS Insights to visualize AWS resources. It includes this dashboard for S3 buckets with 2 charts and a table. Here's the code for the dashboard. It combines charts, tables, and queries. Now suppose you'd like to source those queries from a separate mod. A couple of new features in Powerpipe make it much easier to manage that separation of concerns. First, you can now install a mod from the local file system. So we've created a library mod in a local directory. We'll call it AWS Queries and copy the queries into it. In order to reference those queries in the new library mod, we can install it from the local file system, and then adjust the query references to point to the new library mod. Now the dashboard runs as before, but with queries extracted into a separate library mod. Now let's add a new query to the library mod and add a chart in My AWS Insights that uses the new query. Here's the dashboard now showing the new query referenced from the library mod. We can keep iterating on this local library mod, but at some point we'll want to move it to GitHub so others can use it. So we'll uninstall the local mod and reinstall from GitHub. Oops, that failed because we didn't push a tag to satisfy the default version constraint. We could do that, but now there's another way. We can just install from a branch. And here's the dashboard again, now using the library mod installed from GitHub. With the ability to install from a branch, the My AWS Insights mod can also now easily depend on alternate or experimental versions of the AWS Queries library mod. You've also now got a lot more flexibility when installing or updating mods, using the -- pull argument to specify various update strategies. With the ability to install mods from the local file system and from remote branches, it just got a whole lot easier to create and iterate on dependent mods in Powerpipe.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to try out Powerpipe for yourself, download it today for free at powerpipe.io. Links and details in the video description.